Hey guys, I am back filming YouTube videos. I know it's been forever, but I promise I am going to start uploading more frequently. But recently I've been inspired, so I'm going to start filming again, and I'm going to try to upload like at least once a week for you guys. And by you guys I mean whoever's watching, because I don't know if anyone's even watching me. But I wanted to film how I do my eyebrows at home and how I like wax my own eyebrows and wax my mustache, because no one wants a mustache. So this has got to go. So if you see me looking like that way, it's because I'm looking at so let's get started. I'll bring you guys in to show you how I wax my brows. It's extremely easy. The wax that I use, which I'll talk about later, is the wax that you literally just peel off, so you don't need any paper or anything. So 1, it's not messy. 2, it's super easy. And 3, there's like less products you need to use, so it's just like quick and easy, and I'll show you guys how I do it. Okay, so this is the wax machine I have. Here's the brand. I think it's Faromosa. I got it on Amazon and it was like maybe less than $35, so I'll have the link down below somewhere. And then this is what it looks like inside. There's not that much wax in here. Then it also has these heat settings, so you can have it just on medium or all the way hot. Usually I'll put it all the way on hot until it melts. Like when it gets to like this, then I'll lower it to medium. That way it doesn't burn my eyebrows off, because don't mind my nails, by the way. They're disgusting, I know. But this is what it came with. I just have all the stuff on my bed to show you guys. It came with like 4 packs of these, and I've already used 2, so what it comes with will last you like a pretty long time, I would say. And then it also came with these bigger sticks, which I use to like mix it all together. And I use the same one until it gets like super disgusting, because you don't really need to be wasting those sticks. And then for my eyebrows, to like put the gel on my eyebrows, I use these little applicators, and then they're just really like, I usually use this end of it for my eyebrows so that I can get like really under there. But I'm about to show you guys how I wax my eyebrows. Okay, so I brought you guys a little closer so you can see what I'm doing when I wax my eyebrows. Besides like the actual wax machine and the wax and all the stuff that I showed you earlier, all you guys really need is a spoolie, and I just use this old one so that you can just brush through your eyebrows, so you can brush through your eyebrows. And then I usually just comb them like I normally would, and I'm going to show you guys how to wax your eyebrows the easy way. But bear in mind, I'm not a professional, so this is just what works for me, and I find it easier than going and spending $12 like every day to go thread or wax your eyebrows, and you could just do it at home. And the machine was only $30, so that's like 2 times waxing your eyebrows. And with this machine, you can wax like your lips, your eyebrows, your face if you wanted to, your arms, your legs, anything. So let's get started, and let me start waxing my eyebrows so I can show you. I'm also gonna wax my mustache because it's time for me to do that. Yeah. If I'm not looking at the camera while I'm doing this, it's because I actually need to focus on getting my brows before I just wax the whole thing on. So I'll just get like this amount, and then I will get right under my brow and do it. And then I'm just gonna like twist it a little bit so that I get the wax that's falling off. And then I'll just like either fan it, or you could just wait for it to dry, and you'll just touch it to see if it's not sticky, which this is not, as you can see. And then my least favorite part is peeling this off. It doesn't hurt that much because I have a pretty high pain tolerance, so I would say it's like maybe a 3 out of 10. And then I'll just start like picking at it so that I can get something to pull it off. And then you're always gonna want to pull away from the hair growth. So if your hair's growing like in this direction, you're gonna want to pull this way and not this way. That's just what I've heard from watching videos myself, and I find it's like the way that you can really get the hair out of the root. So I am just gonna go ahead and pull it, and then I'm gonna show you. I don't know if I can get this zoomed in close enough, and you can kind of see right there like I don't know if you can tell or not, my eyebrows hair is like right here. Don't mind my nails, I know I need to get them done, but you can kind of see like my eyebrow hairs are already on the wax thing. So what I just do, I'll just throw this away, and then there's like no hair. It is going to be a little red depending if your skin is sensitive, but it doesn't burn that much or doesn't hurt or anything. And then I'll just throw this away, and then I'm going to show you, I'm not going to talk through the rest of my eyebrows, but I'm going to show you how I do the rest of them. Tie my hair up because it's already bothering me. Now it's time to wax my mustache. I'll use the bigger stick as opposed to like the thin stick that I was using for my eyebrows, because this one just gets like the area better. So I'm about to go in and do that. Bad. And I get red like super fast, but it'll go away. And my mustache hairs are shorter, so I'm not sure if you'll be able to see. Okay, you can't really see anything at all, but it got most of the hairs out. And the redness goes away. Like before, my eyebrows were red, and they're like a little bit less red right now. Still think it got the hair. As I said before, I'm not like extremely good at this, so this is definitely beginners, but as you can see, it's pretty easy. My eyebrows look poppin'. They look even better when they're filled in and stuff, but mustache is pretty much all waxed. And then sometimes I'll just go in with a little bit more and get like this area. Oh gosh. Okay. And you can also go back in with the tweezers and then pluck whichever ones you don't have. And then I'm pretty much done. So my eyebrows are good. I'll give you guys a close-up. And then my mustache is all waxed. So I hope you guys like this video. As I said in the beginning, I will try to get a video up maybe at least once a week. I'll shoot for 2, but as of right now, I'll try doing videos once a week. And I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any video suggestions or anything I should change about my videos, as I said, I'm starting up again. So I will take all the constructive criticism that I can. And I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe down below to see more of my future videos. Thanks. Bye.